So here we are in one accord. I am Joel, your small business wing manager, and today we're talking about the types of videos you should be creating for your brand or company.
Saddle up, partner.
We have a tendency to make it more complicated than what it really is. Your videos need to inspire or educate people towards a buying decision. Today we're going to look at one of the brands that I work with to see how this principle plays out. Southern Flyway Outfitters is a small business, 2 individuals to be precise, and they have a duck hunting product called the Decoy Raft. The Decoy Raft is a very unique product in the duck hunting market space. Most people don't know what it is or why they need it. Most duck hunters are traditionalists in the sense that they don't flock towards new gear and new methods that might affect the experience that they know and love. Naturally, we decided to produce a series of short videos emphasizing product education. What is the Decoy Raft? Why is it revolutionary? How do I incorporate it into my setup? These were just some of the questions that we tried to answer with a series of short, informative videos. We knew that we wanted to embed the videos on their website, as well as use them for social media content. So short and topical videos fit the bill. If you have a product or a service that demands an explanation, make a video about it. Make several videos about it. With the communication channels we have today, short form video is a great way to share the dealio.
What's the dealio?
If you don't know where to start by answering this simple question. Or maybe it's not so simple, really. Why does your company or brand exist? Get in front of the camera. Quack a joke.
Quack, quack, quack.
Be a real person. Explain why you do what you do. A great way to keep your videos fresh, engaging, and on point, answer legit customer questions. This sounds like a no-brainer, but if people are asking why are your prices so high?
Our prices have never been lower!
Or how does your product compare to this competitor product? Don't camouflage it. Answer those questions with a video. When the Southern Flyway brand was just taking flight, Nathan and John would be talking with hundreds of duck hunting enthusiasts at different outdoor shows around the country. One question that came up repeatedly had to deal with using the Decoy Raft with a hunting dog. People were concerned for the safety of their hunting buddy, and rightfully so. Nathan and John didn't hunt with a dog, but they knew someone who trained hunting dogs for a living. They spent one day at dog training school and were able to verify first that their product was safe. Furthermore, with a quick interview with the trainer and some action shots of the product in use with a dog, the guys were able to produce a video that put many potential customers' minds at ease. Whether it's by word of mouth or direct messages from social media, find out what people are asking and answer those questions with a video. So earlier, I stated that your video should educate or inspire people towards a buying decision. What I mean by inspire is to connect with people at an emotional level, tug at their heartstrings a little, find a way to humanize your business. For Southern Flyway, one way we tried to inspire and gain credibility with the community was by making videos about some of the professional guides using their product, shining the light on the Decoy Raft's ideal customer and telling their story. Ended up being a real win-win-win.
Win-win-win. No.
It showed the product in use. Win. It showed it being used by a trusted source. Win. The guides were very enthusiastic about us coming out and making a video because it gave them new business. I guarantee that you can make an inspiring video by turning the camera around on one of your customers. You probably don't even have to wear waders to do so. If you design landscape, have one of your customers explain how they feel in that new environment. If you make homemade treats, get a customer to talk about how the taste of that candy takes them back to their youth. If you provide financial advice, get a customer to talk about having a financial peace of mind. By now, I hope the creative juices are flowing. Videos are one of the greatest ways to promote your business. So make sure your videos educate and inspire people towards a buying decision. And before I duck out, if you still don't know what type of videos you should be making for your company, tell me a little bit about your business and I'll give you a couple suggestions. See you on the flap side. Bye.